padagan inday oh. Grabe ko suga padagas ko anak. Ako taga-sakay ra ko. Si Inday Klong na po diri sa Luyo among natulog oh. Tao roy. Big na kayo siya. Abi ko nag-sleep pala di ay. Ako ngarigo. Mamang driver.
Quebec po. Benvenue.
Benvenue na. Quebec. Oo.
Benvenue.
Oo.
What is it, Clown? Benvenue. Bing.
Maayos kay si kuanan eh. Gi-eskwelahan ko ning Chloe.
How do you say it, Clown?
So makasulti gini siya dai.
Daddy is asking, Clown, can you really speak in French?
Okay,
But you
that's
speak French in school, right?
okay. So always French in that? Oh. So for example, you will stay in Quebec. So you can always talk French, right? Oh, good, perfect.
So you can tell if they're talking shit about you.
Yeah. That's good. That's good. Nice, eh?
Na, medyo takasabot alis mga sinyalis nila pa.
Oh, sana na, oh. Oo. Morning, ganano po yun. Lugarang, eh. Matarantar na kita, ni. Pati nandagan ang language na to. Bisaya, Tagalog, English, dapat ito. Quebecoy.
Quebec.
Just for a stroll. Yeah. Ito ang daluhan ng pag-graduate sa imong kuan, imong manghod, graduate sa military in Canadian Military Academy. Maybe tomorrow.